Your Cessna belongs in the air, and Preferred Airparts wants to keep it there. That's why the world's finest repair stations depend on Preferred Airparts. Preferred Airparts has the largest inventory of Cessna parts outside of the factory. That's due in large part because we have a dedicated team whose job is to locate and recover salvageable Cessnas around the world. We purchase tired and damaged Cessna twins, Caravans, and Citations. Preferred Airparts' reputation as Cessna specialists has resulted in a worldwide network of contacts who inform us of available aircraft. We do an assessment of the plane based on photographs and other information to arrive at an agreed purchase price. Next, we dispatch our team to the location for an on-site inspection and recovery of the plane. The team disassembles the aircraft and loads it onto a specially designed truck for transportation to Preferred Airparts. If the plane is located in a remote area not accessible by our truck, we disassemble and load it into shipping containers. Our recovery team handles all the details of getting the shipment through customs and to our Kidron, Ohio location. Once the shipment arrives at Preferred Airparts, our skilled technicians do a thorough inspection of the aircraft and begin the parting out process. It's important to note that this process takes place under roof, not in a salvage yard. That's what separates Preferred Airparts from many of our competitors. Disassembly and storage in a climate-controlled building assures you that our used Cessna parts will be of the highest quality. As the aircraft is disassembled, each part is identified and entered into our inventory database. The parts are then stored in specific locations of our warehouse. Complete Cessna systems are salvaged whenever possible, including fuel systems, air conditioning systems, and main and nose landing gears. Windshields and windows are carefully removed, inspected, and refurbished if they need to be. Remember, we are also LP Aero distributors and can also get you new windows at good prices. Our salvage technicians also make fuselages and control surfaces available. Damaged control surfaces are repaired in accordance with the manufacturer's structural repair manual or to FAA-approved specifications by our highly skilled metal fabricators and will come with a FAA Form 337 detailing its repair. Some used avionics and instruments are bench-tested, certified, and yellow-tagged. Interior cabin components are removed and inventoried, including seats, panels, and trim. Low-time propellers are available, or we can have one from our stock freshly overhauled for you. Our recovery efforts have also resulted in a large inventory of parts for piston engines. We stock parts for Continental A65 through GTSIO 520 engines, also Lycoming engines including geared, supercharged, and vertical. We also have a growing inventory of engine parts for Pratt & Whitney, Allison Rolls-Royce, and other engine parts and rotables. The care we take in parting out salvaged Cessnas allows Preferred Airparts to offer you a wider selection of airframe components, parts, rotables, and complete Cessna systems. Thanks to the efforts of our recovery team, we have parted out over 328 Cessna twins, 13 Caravans, and 5 Citations. Preferred Airparts stocks new, overhauled, and used parts for all Cessna singles, twins, Caravans, and Citations built since 1946. Ordering from Preferred Airparts is easy. To quickly check stock, search our inventory online at www.preferredairparts.com. Our available inventory is updated weekly, so you'll have access to the most accurate information available. Write down the part number, then either request a quote online or call us for more personalized service. With so many different manufacturers' parts in stock, we rely on you to provide us with the part numbers you are looking for. However, we can look up part numbers for Cessna twins and singles along with Continental and Lycoming engine parts. We are willing to offer big discounts for our customers to call us with the part numbers they need. And remember, Preferred Airparts discounts parts every day from 25 to 85% off the manufacturer's list price. We only quote what we have in stock, which allows us to process your order quickly and gives you the reassurance that if we quote it, we have it. 95% of the time, your parts will be shipped the same day you order them. For most items shipped in the U.S., custom crating is free. We can comply with most countries' environmental regulations. However you fly your Cessna, for recreational or commercial purposes, buying from Preferred Airparts can give you less time in the shop and more time in the air.